Here we have Benchmade's Grizzly Creek. This is another knife in their Hunt series. You can see this one is dedicated. It has a manual opening gut hook. I have heard of people using it as a seatbelt cutter as well, but it is designed to be a gut hook, but it will cut seatbelts as well. Has this lovely diamond wood handle, and everyone's a little bit different. And I absolutely love what they did with the jimping on this. You have jimping right here. Jimping is this texture here on the spine. So you have jimping here for your thumb, and then you have jimping way out here for detailed work. They do this on the North Fork, and they do it on the Grizzly Ridge as well. Just absolutely love that. Nice, very subtle recurve blade here into a nice big belly. This is a nice classic drop point knife with the access lock, and it's just an absolutely lovely knife. You can't change the pocket clip. Is one of the really only negatives about it, is just the one position in it. And just a nice stunner of a knife. Take a look at the website for the sizing and all of our current pricing information. Thank you very much.